guys, it's Kelly and today I've got another swatch and review for you. I am so excited to partner up with Sinful Colors for this video. I am showing you the Velvet Obsession collection, and there are quite a few reasons why I am so obsessed with this Velvet Obsession collection. So if you guys have been on my channel for any length of time, you probably know 3 important facts about me. 1 is that fall nail polish is my favorite type of nail polish and my favorite time of year. 2 is that matte finish is my absolute favorite finish. And 3 is that I kind of have an alternative style, a little gothy grungy situation. So let me explain to you why this collection is literally me, okay? Number 1, it is fall nail polishes. Number 2, they're all matte velvet finishes, which is my favorite finish. And 3, the collection is literally described as glam goes goth. So I'm like, this collection was made for me. I'm just totally obsessed. But anyway, let me show you the swatches before I spoil any of my other opinions about it. Before I do, really quickly, just so you guys know, 3 of the nail polishes in this collection were actually created by Bebe Rexha. If you guys haven't heard of her, she's a super famous singer/songwriter. She's like on top 40 radio stations everywhere, and she wrote a lot of super famous songs too. She created 3 of them. She is their newest ambassador. They said this is their first collaboration with her, so I'm anticipating more. But anyway, let me show you guys the swatches, then I'll tell you my thoughts, even though I kind of already just did. Let's roll footage.
So we'll start off with the regular shades, which by the way all come in these special edition frosted bottles that also have these chrome brushed caps that say that they're velvet matte finishes. So this first color is called Plum Lush, which is a really stunning, bright fuchsia, almost reddish shade. It feels like it's a 1-coat coverage. Honestly, all of the shades in this collection had absolutely amazing formulas and almost all of them were 1-coaters, but I am showing you 2 coats just to see what that looks like. So this shade is packed with really intense fuchsia shimmer as well as little translucent shimmers, and the whole nail will dry matte, which gives off that velvet effect, so it literally looks like velvet on your nails. Next up we have the shade Gold Jewel, which is a really interesting, almost antiqued yellow gold shade. And again, absolutely amazing formula and almost 1-coat coverage on this one. I did need 2 coats to get full opacity, and again, this one is packed with that really nice light shimmer in it that does dry down matte, and it gives off that velvet finish. I honestly love this finish so much. I think the only thing more exciting than matte nail polishes is when you have a shimmer nail polish that dries matte, because it creates such an intense and unique look. Next up we have the shade Empire Green, which I was the most excited about in this collection. It's a really stunning mossy blue-green shimmer that again dries to that matte finish, and you guys already know I'm about to say this, but this is a total Slytherin color. I was wearing actually a Slytherin outfit while I was swatching these, and it was literally the exact same color, so I was very excited. Again, we do have 2-coat coverage for this, and it looks really stunning when it dries down to that matte finish. I can see so much nail art with this color. I think it's so beautiful for any time of year, but especially for fall winter. Next up we have the shade Gothic Ink, which is a dark primary blue shade that again has that really intense same colored shimmer as well as the little translucent flakes that dries down to a matte finish. This one was another 1-coater, absolutely amazing coverage. I ended up throwing on a 2nd coat just to show you guys what that looked like. While it was wet, it looked like such a stunning dark blue shade, and I would wear this also with regular top coat, but as a matte shade it also looked really gorgeous. It reminds me of denim, and I kind of want to do denim nail art for the fall. And then the last of the regular polishes in this line is Steel Velours, which is a really beautiful grayish shade. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically what I call polishes that are somewhere between being a gray and being a nude. It's kind of like a taupe shade, and this is a really stunning color. If you like work appropriate colors, or if you just want to keep it safe and simple and neutral but still want to have that really interesting finish, this is the perfect color for you. It gave me perfect coverage in 2 coats. It looks so stunning. It just looks like my nails are just fancier with it on. So now on to the shades that were designed by Bebe, and they all have stickers on them to denote that. This one is called Glam and Roses, and this is a really light neutral pinky shade. It almost has like a peachy hint to it, and this one again, amazing coverage. I was really surprised because light shades like this tend to be really hard to get full coverage in 1 to 2 coats, and that's exactly what I got with this. I found the coverage was really impressive. It looked super gorgeous. I feel like this is going to be a universally flattering color, and I love how it looked with the matte finish. Next up we have the shade Dark Romance, which is a really beautiful warm toned purpley velvet shade, and this is another one that I think would look absolutely amazing even with glossy top coat. And again, amazing coverage. It gave me 1-coat coverage. I'm showing you guys a 2nd one just to see what that looks like, but what a stunning color. I can't resist a purple, and this one is definitely making it into my favorites because it is so beautiful beautiful, it's so rich, it just feels like royalty to me. And last but definitely not least, we have the shade Twisted Obsession, which is a stunning chocolatey vampy red shade that again has that really intense shimmer and translucent flake in it that finishes off with that matte finish. And oh man, what a stunner. Again, a one coater, amazing formula, absolutely stunning color. This is the epitome of fall colors for me. I love wearing shades like this in the fall, and I especially love that it has that matte finish because I think it looks so cool. Alright, so those are the polishes. Obviously, I'm in love with them. Even if it weren't for the amazing formulas, I would love just having a matte fall grungy collection, but the fact that the polishes are such good formulas, they're like almost one coaters, and they look so nice on the nail, like I'm just absolutely blown away by this collection. I'm super excited about it. Sinful Colors is also an extremely affordable brand. These polishes are available at Walmart, they're also available online and a few other retailers, and they cost $2.99 USD each, so that's actually amazing. So yeah, overall, really impressed with the collection, really impressed with the formula. I think they did an amazing job. I can't wait to see what else they come up with, and oh man, I don't think any collection is gonna beat this one for me this year. I think it's just so good. But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my swatch and reviews, and let me know if you guys want to see some nail art with these, because I feel like I could do some cool gothic grungy nail art, and that would be really fun. Oh, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do tons of swatch and reviews, and I occasionally do other types of videos. Alright, that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye! Okay, so fun fact, I've actually been saving this one for a Sinful Colors review, and I have had this fun fact in my heart for so long. I think I've told you guys before that I used to only ever wear like black nail polish, and I would just pick up whatever brand of black nail polish and that's all I wore. But my first real nail polish was by Sinful Colors. It was a color called Nail Junkie. I remember the exact day that I bought it because I feel like that was actually like, I've told you guys how I started kind of my nail art obsession, I think, but when I first started buying nail polish, like that was when my love of like nail polish really started. And I remember that day exactly. Me and my friend were gonna go to a club, and I only ever had black nail polish, and we were stopping at the drugstore to get some chocolate because we were like, oh, we're gonna need chocolate after the club. While we were there, I was like, oh my gosh, maybe we should wear like crazy nail polish. And I picked up a nail polish from Sinful Colors. It's called Nail Junkie. I remember it vividly. I don't have it anymore, but it was like a mermaidy, like translucent jelly like with like little oh god, what are those shimmers called? And I was so like blown away by it, and I wore it out to the club, and literally people were coming up to me, like we were in a dark area, right? And people were coming up to me and being like, I love your nails. And I was like, oh my gosh, is this what it's like when you have cool nail polish on? And that is literally how I started getting into nail polish. So it's all thanks to Sinful Colors. But yeah, that's my fun fact for today. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.